Hello everyone, it's April the 30th, 2026, so this is the last day in April. Behind me you can recognize the beautiful silhouette of Cefalù. We are in one of the most beautiful places in Sicily. As you can see, the beach, the beautiful sandy beach of Cefalù, is pretty empty because we are still in April. But I have a great temptation. So while the Sicily lovers are enjoying their leisure time in Cefalù, Sicily lovers are the person who joined the first edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour, the one in April. So they are experiencing, I'm sure, shopping, maybe they are having a gelato, they are strolling in the historic center of Cefalù. So while they are all there, I'm here enjoying the beach. I've been waiting for a long time and I wanna do that. I'm gonna swim. It should be a little bit frozen, but I can't resist. I have to confess that it's been a long time since I last swam in April, but it's my turn. Let's try.
Non mais tu bouges tout ça.
Before the cold water kills me, I wanna say something. Cefalù is included in all our small group tours of Sicily. In the meantime, I'm walking in the sea. And it's highly recommended in all your custom private tours of Sicily. So if you want to visit Sicily, if you want to book a tour with us, Cefalù should be your home base, one of your home bases. But if you join one of our Sicily Lovers Tours, for sure you'll stay here a couple of nights. And now, here I am. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's the first time. Let's try. Uno, due, tre. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, it's really frozen, but it's beautiful. Look at that, the beautiful rock of Cefalù behind me. Oh my gosh, so special. Guys, I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And it's very clear and pristine. Oh my gosh. Oh. So, stay tuned. In the next following days, in the coming days, we will be enjoying our special sausage experience in Caccamo. Tonight we have the special folk party dinner. Then we will move to the south of Sicily. We will visit the Valley of the Temples. Then we will go to Ortigia, Ragusa, Modica, Noto, Mount Etna, Taormina. So stay tuned because in the next following days I'll be showing something really special. From Cefalù, it's all Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Mwah. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!